Hey everyone! On the Weller channel today, I'll show you how to create a new Steam account. You can create a new Steam account using the same email or a completely different one. Here's how. First, open your browser, type in Steam, and go to the Steam website. Once there, click Sign In and then click Create Account. Enter your email address here. If I enter an email that's already linked to an existing account, it will offer me the option to either sign into that existing account or create a new one tied to that email. Like so. So we go ahead and enter the confirmation code that was sent to the email. And here you can see there's a message saying this email is already linked to another account. You can either use the existing account or recover it if you've forgotten your login, or if you prefer, you can create a brand new separate Steam account. Click Continue. Now come up with a username and a password. That's it. Click Done and the account is created and it will now be linked to your email. And that's all there is to it. This was Weller. See you later. Subscribe to the channel and follow on Twitter. Thanks.